Welcome back now. For the second sum, see here the second sum already I have solved this first one. Second sum is 99 square is equal to. Now you have to find the identity and then evaluate the sum. The identity may be 90 plus 9 whole square, or you can take as 100 minus 1 whole square also. Because when you minus 100 minus 1 is equal to 99, and 90 plus 9 is also 99. Now for this, use the formula, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now a is 100 and b is 1, so take the value a is that for 100 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 100 into 1. So 100 square is equal to 10,000 plus 1 square is equal to 1 minus 100 into 1 is 100, 100 into 2 is 200. That is equal to, now minus this 10,000, because minus means according to Bodamas minus will come first. So you have to minus this 10,000 minus 200, that is equal to 9,800. 9,800, the remaining number is 1. So answer you will get 9,801. This is the second answer. Thank you.